All right now?
He's good.
You guys, come on. Everybody sit down.
Ray and let's see, who else?
Paul's not gonna ask you again, and I'm gonna slap you.
Yeah. Jordan,
Raymond and
Harley.
oh yeah, I'm sorry.
wait. Okay.
Daddy, what are you doing?
Kid that works for Oregon Equipment.
Oh, Mark.
Mark, yeah.
Okay, what do you got? Want
Sit down.
to do
Come on.
presents?
Time to go.
Birthday cake, birthday
Sheila,
cake,
sit.
presents,
I think.
presents,
Presents? You presents first?
or birthday cake. You choose.
Yeah, let's do the cake. Sure? Your birthday.
Go ahead.
I gotta stay out of these pictures.
No,
I don't do pictures.
I'm going to get you anyhow. It don't matter. You're here.
Put a
See?
incognito.
There you go.
Some paper. All right.
What'd you get?
Ooh.
A watch?
Whoa.
Oh, Cars watch?
Mom, I'm gonna get
New sunglasses?
Yeah.
Wow, that was from Kate, I think.
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
Wow.
What is that?
That's from Yvonne. I'm Yvonne.
Ooh.
Wow.
Jordan, hold it up, honey. Hold it up and let me take a picture of it. Perfect.
All right.
Great. You held
Cool.
it high, didn't you? Jeez.
Little card.
That's nice.
Yeah.
Please don't tell me I have money.
No, hey, buddy.
Guess what, Dad? You get to pick that all up.
Oh, Nana's gonna bug out your roof.
Yeah. If the wind would just blow.
Celebrate!
Alrighty.
Hey.
You're cute.
Oh, yeah. And you.